Hello! This is a tutorial for booking a free trial lesson. Please click on the booking page. Then scroll down to Free Trial Lesson. Please click here. Then select your time zone. Then select the date and time that works for you. Then click on Continue. Please enter your first and last name. Followed by your email address. Then you will answer a series of intake questions. What is your Zoom personal meeting ID or email? What service are you inquiring about? How did you hear about us? What is your proficiency English level? And what are your English goals? Then you will give consent to our Zoom regulation and standard, followed by Xpertly's terms and conditions, in which you can find on our website, and then give consent and click on Complete Appointment. You have now successfully booked your free trial lesson. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.